In this video, I will be speed building Flowerpot pen and notebook from Creator 3-in-1 set 31169. The set comes with beautiful Flowerpot, stylish notebook and a pen. The truth is, the Lego pen isn't real. It's perfect for pretend notes, but if you prefer to take real notes, you'll need a real pen. Perhaps something like this. I will show you how to build it later in the video. Let's build! I'm curious, plastic bags or paper bags? As I hope it's paper bags. Each build comes with its own instruction manual. Interesting stickers are also included. According to instructions, I need to open all 3 bags at once. All the bags are open now and all the bricks and pieces are now mixed up. I'm starting by building pink flower pot first. Instructions are very easy to follow, but finding all these mixed up pieces is a bit tricky. Let's check if they fit together. Oh, they do. It is starting to look like a flower pot. And the flower pot is finished. On to the next part, adding the flowers. Pink and green go so well together. Purple, pink, yellow, green, all my favorite colors. A blue flower was a bit tricky to build. I had to do it twice to make it right. I hope I have built it correctly. All the pieces should be pointing in the same direction. And here it is. Flowerpot is finished. It looks very colorful and very pretty. On to next part, building the pen. When I saw the set first time, I kind of secretly hoped the pen was real, but it's not. Next, I'm building notebook. My favorite part, applying stickers. And here it is, ready for special notes. I think this is a very lovely decor for your desk. As I mentioned earlier, this pen is great for taking pretend notes, but if you would like to take real notes, you need a real pen. Let's build one. As you can see, it is a very simple design. And just like that, you have real Lego pen. Does it work? Let's try. Yay, it does work. What shall I build next? A typewriter or a guitar? Leave your thoughts in comments. Thanks for watching!